In front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. First, you need to launch your keyboard and click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. This way you will access all of those themes for free. Now just click on the best one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply at the bottom right corner to apply this theme. So when I do that, mine was successfully set up. But if you want to customize it with a photo, which is personally my favorite part, click on the same icon, tap on +1 under my themes, and tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. If you want to edit any of your themes or delete it, go back to the same settings, tap on your theme, and to edit it, use this pen at the top right corner and make some changes. You need to remember to hit apply to save them. To get rid of any theme, click on it and use bin icon also at the top right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!